Welcome to the Glitterati Book Club, Sharda. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, Meenakshi. I'm excited. I'm so happy to be with you. How are you doing?
I'm good, and I'm very happy to tell you that I finished reading your book, Blue Eagle, and I absolutely loved it. I'm so happy to be talking to you about the book today. So let me start by asking, I know this is your second novel, and you have written other books as well. Would you like to just tell us about that?
That's right, Meenakshi. So I started with a book for children. Then I went on to write a novel. It's called Half Single, Half Married. Then I wrote a couple of more books for children, and then back to novel. This is Blue Eagle, this one. Yeah.
Yes, and very, very interesting title, Blue Eagle, very intriguing, also beautiful cover, a beautiful soothing cover.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about this book and the themes, because it doesn't belong to any specific genre.
This is actually, I would say, a hybrid genre. So it's got themes, or in fact three themes blending together. That's why it's called hybrid genre. So the theme is mainly relationship. Besides that, it also has wine. It also has politics, and I would say age as well. So 3-4 things together. That's why we call it a hybrid genre.
But I think love is what it's all about. And they say, yeah, love and wine. In fact, you have said that, a sip of wine and, the first kiss. So romance is everywhere in this book, right?
That's right. Romance as well. I forgot to include romance, but yes, that as well.
Lots of romance. Okay, great. So as an author yourself, you've been getting a lot of great reviews on Amazon and on Goodreads. And so tell me, what are the people saying? What are they loving about the book?
They're loving about the plot, Meenakshi. Everybody is saying the plot is really unique. It's very different from, the other books. So I would say plot is the USP.
And your writing, because your writing is, it's very descriptive. The locales are beautiful. You feel transported to different parts of the world. So I love that about the book. Another question which comes to my mind is, who is your personal favorite character in the book?
I would say Rashmi Ranawa, the mother. She's a very matured woman. I like the character because she goes through a lot of emotions. So that's why she's one of my favorite characters, besides, of course, Neil and Mo.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. And of course, one question which comes to my mind is that what is going to be next now? Are you going to continue writing novels? Because I think you are absolutely on a roll with Blue Eagle.
Yes, I started my next novel already. That will take time because like you've seen in Blue Eagle, I do a lot of research, Meenakshi, unless I'm very thorough about the research. So I'm going slow. So let's see. I'm giving it myself probably 6 months or so, 6 to 8 months. Hopefully it will be done.
Okay, great. So next year around the same time, I hope we'll be talking to you about a new book. And in the meantime, all the very best for this fabulous book called Blue Eagle. And if I had to give 2 reasons for people to pick it up, I would say pick it up because it's about love. But what would you say? What would you say is a reason to pick up this book?
I would say the story itself. It's a very different story. I'm sure whoever reads it will say the same. The plot is different. The story is different. The narration is different. And like you said, romance. And it's got wine. It's got vineyards. It's got politics of Burma. It's got, Ujjain, Kal Bhairav temple. There's lots of emotions. So, like I said, hybrid genre, it's got everything. So you should, they should pick up.
Right, great. So thank you very much and wishing you all the very best as an author. And I hope more and more people like me enjoy the book and pick it up. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Meenakshi. Yeah, thank you so much.